Hi, I'm Steph McGlynn and I'll be giving you a quick update on what's been happening with Co-op Uniform over the past 12 months and some insight on what to expect in the near future. Back in 2023, a decision was made to complete a full uniform tender review, mainly due to the continued poor feedback on the level of service and lack of innovation from the current supplier, Dimensions. Over the last year, a detailed review led by procurement with input from all business areas was carried out. This included supplier visits and assessments using a balanced scorecard that looked at quality, cost, service, innovation, and ethical sourcing. Following the completion of the tender review, the decision was made to award a 3-year contract to Incorporate Wear. We're committed to a 1.5 million saving over 3 years, which allows us to invest into the range and uniform innovation. A bespoke uniform portal making it easier for colleagues to navigate, a next day delivery process for new starters, an advanced automated technology allowing uniform to be picked and packed 24 hours a day. We awarded Incorporate Wear the contract in August 2024 and began the transition in September. Production of the garments began in January of 2025. Stock transfer are planned for September, October, with the contract due to start in October. We removed low demand items from the range, including chino trousers, skirts, and chambray shirts. We removed the line cargo trouser with the intention to introduce a base layer that can be worn under the standard cargo trouser in its place. We teamed up with food store colleagues so we now share the same uniform. Upon review of our current maternity offering, we decided to make the change and instead offer a fit-for-purpose garment with better quality material, increased comfort that is designed to grow with you. We also have already introduced shorts for our transport colleagues' comfort. With the help and support of our site support colleagues at Newhouse and Lee Green depots, we will be holding a trial for 80 colleagues across the 2 sites to trial the new base layer to be worn underneath the unlined cargo trousers. We have male and female volunteers across all shift patterns in chill and freezer working environments, and we will be gathering their feedback at the end of the trial to help us make the best choice for our colleagues. We hold weekly calls with our new account manager at Incorporate Wear to keep track of the critical path, raise any issues and concerns, and update on progress. Regular calls with Incorporate Wear IT to develop the order portal with the help of logistics site support. Weekly calls with Co-op Uniform Group with representatives from procurement and all business units. Teams channels with site support colleagues for support and sharing and gathering useful information and feedback. Together we are looking at options for recycling our old uniform and aiming to reduce our environmental impact. We are reviewing design options with the team at Incorporate Wear, selecting and signing off quality fabrics. Together with Co-op IT, we have developed a solution for new starters and leavers with a weekly HR feed that updates the portal with colleague information, which was previously a manual process. We're revisiting design of garments to make sure they are fit for purpose in the workplace. We're also looking at innovative materials for maintaining optimum body temperature, which will benefit our warehouse colleagues specifically. Whilst the transition of the supplier takes place, we want to ensure that the needs of our colleagues are met. We plan to deliver buffer stock to the depots where possible in order to protect the stock availability for our depot colleagues, and in turn this will save the co-op money on the stock transition costs. Thank you for taking the time to watch this update, and please drop me an email or reach out on Teams if you have any questions.